Having a dead number pad on your Windows 11 keyboard is a productivity killer, but don't panic, we're about to bring those numbers back to life. Step 1. The simplest fix: numlock. Check your keyboard for a numlock key, usually located near the number pad itself. See if the light for numlock is on. If not, press the numlock key once. Sometimes it's as easy as that. See if the number pad is now working. If that didn't work, let's dive into settings. Access the Windows Settings app by searching for it, or right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, then click on Time and Language, then on Language and Region. Under Language, click the three dots or the arrows beside your primary language to open the language options and then select Options. Now, make sure Add a Keyboard list shows the same settings as your keyboard type is and there are no conflicting settings. Next up, let's check your keyboard drivers. Search for Device Manager from the Start menu and open it. Expand the Keyboards section. Look for your keyboard, which may have a generic name like HID keyboard device. If you see a yellow exclamation mark or a down arrow, this indicates a problem. Right-click on your keyboard device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the latest driver if it finds one. Follow the on-screen instructions for the installation. Finally, if the number pad continues to malfunction, the issue might be hardware-related. Try cleaning your keyboard, checking if any keys are physically stuck or the internal wire connections, or test the number pad on another device to check for a hardware failure. If your number pad won't work at all, it could be time for a new keyboard. Hopefully, these steps will help you get that numeric keypad working perfectly again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.